Everybody, so I just walked in the door and Phoenix said that he's discovered a friend. Who's your friend?
American toad.
Right? Yeah, tell the camera, who is it?
An American toad.
Nice.
Ooh. Or some species of a toad.
And even though Phoenix has 4 frogs that he has living in these 2 beautiful terrariums that he has worked so hard on creating, right? What frogs do you have living upstairs?
So I have Australian green tree frogs, or also known as dumpy frogs, and I have Vietnamese mossy frogs from Vietnam.
Nice. So this guy, where'd you find this guy?
Outside on the road. And we didn't want him to die, so we're going to release him later outside.
So I walked upstairs, and this was Phoenix built this little quasi terrarium in this box, and it was in the kitchen. And what was my immediate reaction?
Just calm, go with the flow, chill.
I think he wants to play with Dad. He keeps going that way.
And how would I have responded in the past?
Maybe a little bit angry, or like, I don't know, like you couldn't manage it, like immediately like not want it in the house.
Mm-hmm. So yeah, my like perfectionist, neat freak-ish kind of parent gene would have come out pretty hardcore, and I would have been like not fun, and I would have been cognitively rigid. So you and your love of frogs and nature have broke me down, bro. You've like worn me down, but like in a good way, right? Yeah. And I see the value in it, man, because like, who the heck knows what you're gonna do, but you're like so into frogs and nature and life sciences. You even going to a camp this summer for that, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So as crazy as some of these things are that our kids get into, Rubik's Cubes, oh my God, whatever the heck it is, skateboarding, could be, oh my God, just destroying your house pretty much, right? The other thing that happens a lot in this kitchen is footy and soccer. And as much as they have destroyed many of our cabinets here, which we do want rules and we do want structure and we do want accountability, you also got to roll with the craziness that is being a parent, because you never know, these little hobbies and interests and idiosyncratic things can turn into amazing big careers and passions. Anything you want to say?
Just stick with anything you're into in life, because you never know what it could end up as. I could be like a biochemist or something like that in the future. And yeah. You also learn other important skills in life from other hobbies, so
cool.
Stay with it.
Awesome. Peace.
Bye.